Don't hate, okay? Appreciate. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very soft, very natural, lazy Sunday afternoon look. This look is kind of dedicated for, I guess, Sundays and having a lazy day. And it's for the people that keep asking you questions about how you do your makeup and you keep telling them to watch your videos, but they never do. You know who you are. Watch my videos. Crap, I lost my train of thought. So for you to see how I got this look, please feel free to, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Right there, yep. Hit the notification bell. And then after that, you can continue to watch my video. Have fun. Okay guys, so today is lazy Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna do my typical Sunday routine. Very simple, very plain. It's something that you would do if you have family over. You don't wanna put on too much makeup, you're not going out. Or you are going out, but you're going to the supermarket and buying some groceries. All my videos lately have been very dramatic or have some sort of special features or special additions that I add to the makeup. I think today I just want to do like a little twist just to make it as simple as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, I have a bare face on, so I'm gonna go with you step by step and how to get a very natural look, but look very, not dead. I guess you could say how you can see how I have all these bags under my eyes. It's just so bad. Start with this, the L'Oreal Lumi Glowation, whatever the hell you want to call it. Let's go ahead and get started. My face is already clean. I do my normal routine, you know, serum, all that good stuff. So obviously make sure you put this on a clean face. Don't just roll out of bed and put this on. You can't forget your hygiene. You know, you gotta make sure you have a clean face. So this acts like a primer, I guess you could say. So it's a moisturizer and primer in one. But it has a nice glow to it, as you could see, which is something I like to have. All right, so I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. This is in the color Medium 105. I really enjoyed this foundation. I recently purchased it and I like it a lot. The reason why I'm using it today, because you can add multiple layers of this and make it super full coverage, but one thin layer of this, it's like a medium to full, so which is kind of what I'm going for today. Let's go ahead and pop down. I'm gonna put like probably like 2 pumps. I'm barely putting anything on today, just to cover those under eyes and this crazy pimpleness that I have going on. As you can see, my freckles and everything are still showing through, which I don't mind because I enjoy my freckles. Okay, so now you got that layer going on. Let's add some little bit of concealer. Let's go for the Colourpop. We got the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the color Fair 08. Yes, it is a little lighter, but I'm barely gonna put anything on and it blends very, very well with the foundation. So I'm gonna pop some right in here just so I can get rid of that under eye circles that I have. I'm probably not gonna highlight anywhere else. And I have some like blue and redness going on in my lid, so I'm gonna cover that up as well. The coverage on it is actually very nice. The more you add, obviously, the more coverage you get out of it. But if you want something that's affordable, obviously, and number 2, that actually does the job the way you want it to, Colourpop does a very good job with pretty much every single product that I've purchased from them so far. It has not disappointed me. So that's all the highlighting I'm kind of doing today. Just so the foundation doesn't move around, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of powder. So I'm using the Airspun loose face powder, just so those liquids stay in place. Coffee break. Okay. Next, eyebrows. I'm gonna keep them as natural as possible. Aha! We're gonna continue with Colourpop. Again, this is their Brow Boss. I got it in the color dark brown. Brush any extra product that I have on here that I don't want. This is kind of going back to my first video that I launched. I think it's going on 2 months now. But that was more for like a beach look. I still did like the contour and everything like that. This is just for a very lazy afternoon. If you have a day off, you just want to chill with your kids, your family, your husband, whatever. So I'm gonna like the sparse areas that I have, I'm just gonna kind of fill it up. That's pretty much all I'm doing right now. All right, so I got the eyebrows done. I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow just to get some dimension in the eye so I don't look so dead. What's your typical routine? What do you like to do? Do you have anything, a routine that you do on a daily? Do you like kind of have like a pop of color on your lipstick if you like to do something like that? All right, so for the eyeshadows, I'm gonna go in with the Lemonade palette from the Dominique Cosmetics. As you can see, I've been obsessed with this palette lately. I just recently got it about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks, and every single color that I've used so far has been amazing. So I think just to add a little bit of dimension to my lid, I'm gonna mix nude tea with sweet tea, or actually nude tea with mango to get more of a natural tone. So I'm gonna barely dab my brush in there because I don't want too much color. I just want to like just, as I said, just dimension. So I'm getting rid of my hooded lids a little bit. And then I'm gonna cover the rest of the lid with the just nude tea. It's a nice bone nude color. So yeah, that completes the eyeshadows today. Easy, right? Coffee break. Now, as you guys could see, I do have some redness in my eyes right here. So I'm gonna cover that with some nude liner, but I am thinking of other stuff that I would typically have. Me personally, if you guys have been watching my channel, I do love highlighters and I like being glowy as possible. So I will be adding highlighters on the bridge of my nose, the cheeks and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna go too crazy. As I said, I wanna make it as subtle as possible. So I got the Balm Mary Lou. It's a little travel size one. I got this from my Ipsy subscription. So I'm gonna take my little highlighter brush, kind of put that in there. This one's a very subtle highlighter. Obviously, the more you add on, the more you bam you get in your face if you want. So I'm gonna highlight my nose. So I'm gonna add a little bit on my cheekbones right here. As you can see, it's very subtle. Sometimes I do add blush, but I'm not gonna add any today. Or I might just to get some color because I feel like I look super pale. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Paaarty, I don't know what to call it. Adds just a little bit of color to my face. I'm not gonna go all the way around, so I'm just gonna put on the apples of my cheek. So I do like a half a smile just to get the apples of my cheeks going, just to add some color. Okay, so I think that completes the face. I am gonna add the nude color in the waterline, as I said. This is from Sephora. Add that to the waterline. And voila, my redness is gone. You did a good job, sir. Next, that's some mascara. Now, if you want nice dimension in your eyes for, you know, just to make sure your eyes pop a little bit more throughout the day, this mascara does freaking wonders. I love this thing. Not only that it adds dimension, it thins your lashes and makes them longer, and it doesn't clump them up, which is something that I particularly love because every single mascara that I've used, except the MAC, have clumped up my lashes and I don't like it. I'm not, as I said, I'm not an expert in every single one that I've tried, or I have tried a bunch of them. I've tried, I think, like 6 or 7 of them so far. So this one and the MAC are still my all-time favorite mascaras till this day. I do want to try the Benefit, I think it's called the Bang mascara. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it that makes your lashes like super long and super thick. So Benefit, if you're watching this, please send them to me so I can test it out. So I'm kind of applying them on my upper lashes and lower lashes. See the difference? No mascara, mascara. Okay, now so I'm gonna add on my lower lash line. I'm not gonna add any lashes today. As I said, I don't want to be, you know, cruising throughout the day with lashes in my eyes. It kind of bothers me because of the glue and stuff. So I just want to make sure I'm comfortable throughout the day. Okay, let me just clean up these clumps that I got going on. Rule of thumb is you gotta let it dry and then it kind of wipes off if you use like a little Q-tip or something. So that completes the eyes. What do you think? Very simple, right? If you are one of those people that doesn't really know much about makeup, or if you're still a starter or anything like that, these are very simple steps to take just to make your face a little more, have some more color and texture, to make sure you don't, you know, feel like you just look like you rolled out of bed. Very simple steps to take. If you watch my other videos, I show you everything step by step to have you look very simple if you want, to as much complicated as you want to, because I do very dramatic looks as well. So if you're, as I said, if you're the average Joe, you want to learn a few techniques here and there, go ahead and feel free to watch my channel and see all the stuff that you could learn. I am gonna add some setting spray and I'm gonna finish it off with some lip gloss. This one I love to use is from Mario Badescu. It has aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea. Okay, last but not least, lip gloss. This is usually my go-to. It's like a rosy nude from Cosmetics. I'm running out. I need to get some more. It glides on super smooth. So it's a very nude, nice, like a nice nude rosy color. I'm gonna have a little bit of lip gloss. This one right here. I think I'm done. Simple, right? Hopefully you guys like this video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more of my stuff, I will be attaching videos here or here. You could even go to my page, somewhere there. and you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you can see all the videos that I drop. I actually do want to leave you guys on a note. I've recently have been doing a 30-day challenge to change my perspective and attitude on life, because I have been pretty negative the past couple months. So I wanted to make sure that I am in a positive way of going through life, because living through life, let's just be honest, it's never fun just being negative all the time. So my message to you guys is love yourself for who you are. Look at the light at the end of the tunnel, because the minute you start loving yourself and believing in yourself, there's so much potential for you to become great or become the person that you want to be in your dreams, just from a simple act of believing in yourself. So don't forget to do that, guys, okay? So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye for now.